Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: battery above 30%, reliable Wi-Fi or USB, and a backup in iCloud or Finder. Open the iPhone Unlocker app and connect the device. Make sure you use an original cable. Next, choose the correct unlock mode, activation lock, or screen passcode, because selecting the wrong mode wastes time. Once selected, allow the tool to detect your model automatically and keep an eye on prompts for entering recovery or DFU mode when requested. You now execute the core steps. Put the iPhone into DFU or recovery, following the precise timing cues on screen. The tool will propose a firmware package. Always verify model and build before downloading to prevent bricking. Once firmware downloads, the unlock sequence proceeds automatically. Let it run. If you see errors, read them carefully. Most ask for reattempting DFU or toggling USB ports. Make sure not to interrupt power or cable. Interruptions during flashing cause failures, and you finish by confirming the phone boots to the setup or unlocked state, then restore your backup if needed. If the device remains locked, restart the unlocking process and use a different cable or USB port. Sometimes switching from USB hub to direct port resolves issues. If DFU fails repeatedly, reboot your computer and reinstall drivers. Preserve log files and note error codes. Finally, if nothing works, contact support with logs and model details so they can diagnose firmware mismatches or hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.